Families already settled in the UK. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fajira. If you're joining me for the very first time, I'm so happy to have you all in our beautiful family. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. This is an update on what the Home Secretary have said about those currently in the UK and how the new rules is going to affect. As you can see the title, families already settled in the UK won't have to meet new visa salary thresholds, Home Secretary signals. A lot of people are actually concerned about those who are currently in the UK and about the new salary threshold that has been set aside for them to be able to bring their dependents. Guys, have got lots of messages concerning this, which is why I am currently following each update concerning the latest 5 rules to cut down next migration, and is the latest update concerning families who are currently in the UK. So if you're currently in the UK or you have a family member who is currently in the UK, please do like and share this video with them because they may find it helpful, to be honest, because I've been receiving a lot of messages like this, especially with the new salary threshold that has been set aside for new migrants. They're not able to meet that salary threshold, they won't be able to bring their families. Now the question have been, are those in the UK also affected?
People already in the UK and reapplying for their visas, will they have to meet the new threshold you're arranging of £38,700 per annum?
Okay, so there's a number of things. So the proposals we put forward are forward-looking, not backward-looking. We will make sure that we put clarity.
People already settled in Britain will not have to meet new salary thresholds when they renew their visas. The Home Secretary signaled on Wednesday. This was published on Wednesday. James Cleverly said the plans designed to cut immigration figures are forward-looking rather than backwards, just like you heard him said. Under new rules announced this month, people must be earning at least £38,700 to bring a family member or partner from abroad to the UK, more than double the current £18,700 minimum income requirement. The salary will also apply to migrants applying for skilled worker visas, who must currently earn a minimum of £26,200 per year to come to the UK. These requirements are expected to come into effect next spring as part of a swathe of Home Office visa changes. Families said they had been left in limbo after the government did not confirm how the approach would work or whether the much higher earnings thresholds applies to both visa renewals and new applications. As you can see, Mr. Clever, which is the Home Secretary, told LBC the proposals we put forward are forward-looking, not backward-looking. Said, which in my opinion, from what he has said, is for those who are still planning to move to the UK or those who are coming after spring. The migrants already in the UK, they've come on a certain visa, right, which have brought them to the UK. I don't think the Home Office will ask migrants who are currently in the UK to start looking out for companies that can pay them up to £38,700 per annum before they will be eligible to bring their families, provided they are already in the UK. Home Office Secretary said that this is a forward plan and not a backward plan. So Home Office Secretary has also said as well that we will make sure that we put clarity, because unfortunately we made that announcement and then the narrative moved on very, very quickly. So as you can see, he went ahead to say, and I am conscious that there are some people who at the moment are unsure and concerned because they don't fully understand the proposals put forward. To be honest, a lot of people are very confused about this whole proposals, and I receive a lot of messages on daily basis, which is why I'm always doing research on this to see if there has been any new updates from the Home Office Secretary or the Prime Minister. So as you can see, I have committed to make sure I have a clear explainer as to the implication on people. Ask whether those earning under £38,700 with family member already in the UK would be okay. And the response from the Home Office Secretary said, yes, this is forward-looking rather than backward. So what I understand from this is that for those who are currently in the UK, you don't have to start looking for a company that will sponsor you on that salary before you bring your dependents. But like he has rightly said, that there will be more clarifications in the future, and also there will be more explanation today, so you know where you stand, which is why I'm always reminding you in my videos that you don't really need to panic over this news. The UK government is a system that when something is not really okay with a lot of people, they review and they see what they can do about it. He has clearly mentioned in the video you watched and also in the article that this is forward looking rather than backward looking. So if you have a more clearer explanation to this, just leave it in the comment section, because a lot of people are panicking and I don't want you to panic. That's why I'm always looking for every update regarding this, so that you will be relaxed and know that your family members will join you. Or if they are not going to join you, then you have to do everything you can do now to make sure that they join you. So if you're moving to the UK before spring, I don't think you will have any problem, to be honest, because this whole 5 steps are going to be effective from spring, from what the UK government have said and also the Home Secretary, which is why I'm always like, just calm down, don't stress yourself. And the UK government have said that the full details of those visa changes will be out in the nearer future. So please spend this time to see how you can do whatever you're doing to bring it to the UK before spring. And for those who are currently in the UK, just like he has said, and I repeat, he said this is forward looking and not backward. So which means that if you're currently working in an organization in the UK that have already set up your salary for you, I don't think they will want you to change an employer to be able to bring your dependents, or maybe ask your employer to increase. How many employers are going to increase your salary to £38,700 per annum? I don't think that's going to work. So just to answer your question, for those who are currently in the UK that have been worried about these whole changes, just like the Home Secretary have said, let me use his exact words: the proposals we put forward are forward looking, not backward looking. So just be positive. But if you think that you're worried and you need to bring your family, please bring them before spring. We don't know what is going to change before then. If you have been following me on this channel, you will know that I've said this over and over. You could go to bed with a different law and you wake up the next morning and something has changed. So in as much as they have promised that there will be more clarification on this, who is directly affected and who is indirectly affected, that there will be more clarification of this in the near future. We've got 3-4 months to spring, so put in all your efforts now. And when we now get the clarification from what the Home Secretary has promised, then I will definitely come and share with you. So guys, this is just what it is. I had to film this video because I've been following up this story, and I'll keep following up because I've got lots of viewers, lots of subscribers that are really interested in this, and so that it will also guide you and also help you prepare and know what next to do on time. So guys, we've actually come to the end of this video, and if you find this video helpful, please do like and share with your friends and loved ones. And if you're yet to subscribe to join our beautiful family on this channel, I create content on how you can migrate to the UK just with visa sponsorship in the UK, like every update just like this one I've shared, that will enable you move to the UK successfully and also live in the UK successfully. Share all of that on this channel. So do hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload a new video, you're definitely going to be the very first person to see that video. Until I see you in my next video, do take care and have a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.